Ask and you shall receive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 7 days of one rant per day. So welcome to Rob's Rants. So episode 1, I'm only doing this one now because it's fresh in my head, right? So I live in Lincolnshire, lots of country roads, a lot of back lanes, a lot of, well, like unlit roads. Just setting the scene. I'm setting the scene. Yeah. So this one's about headlights. Right. I understand that some people can't see as well as other people. I get that, right? And they drive down the back lanes with the main beams on. Not a problem. Not a problem. It's fine. When someone comes towards you, though, you know, just remember that you've got them fucking bright lights on. And just in case you weren't aware that they were on, there's a big blue symbol on your dash. I'm speaking for UK only. Don't know about the rest of the world, but UK only. When you turn your main beams on, there's a blue light, a telltale, what we call it, on the dash that says, "Hi, hello, I'm your main beams. I'm fucking on," right? Turn them off. Yeah, don't wait until you're fucking a fag packet away from your bumper and go, "Oh, fuck, they're on." Because I'm looking into the pearly gates here. I can't see shit, right? And for the next 10 minutes, I've got purple spots in my eyes and stuff like that, right? And, you know, you can't be wearing sunglasses at night because it's not a thing, right? Fucks me right off, it does. And I'm sure I'm not the only one out there that drives around at night thinking, fuck me, there's bright lights and then there's these. This moves me on to the next part of it. Well, I have to say, I'm understanding totally that I'm becoming an old bastard, right? I get that I'm an old man. And I know that modern LED lights are a lot brighter than they used to be. I get that as well. But they're well aligned. If they're well aligned, they work a treat. And they don't blind oncoming drivers as much. Don't come at me in the comments because I'm trying to appease everyone here. And you get a thing called matrix lights as well. So if you are driving with main beams on, what happens is the car can physically see the car coming and it cuts out the main beam. So it's not blinding the other driver. Technology at its finest. Fantastic. So that's technology at its finest. Another thing that I see quite often as well. Working in the motor trade, in the garage, as a mechanic, I see bulbs fitted incorrectly. Mostly headlight bulbs. Not digressing here, this is a thing. There is a popular, I have to say it like this, by the way. There's a popular chain of shops. I can only say shops because I'm trying to describe it as PC as I possibly can. A chain of shops which will charge you to fit bulbs that you purchase from them. A fucking hefty price, might I add, as well. It is crazy. They also fit wiper blades as well. Now, I'm going to let you make your own minds up there what kind of place this is. I know this place just is because I'm not going to name them. We're going to keep it nice and civil, aren't we? However, right, guys, if people are flashing you, and I don't mean trench coat flashing, that's dirty. I mean flashing their lights at you at night, they're trying to let you know that if you haven't got your main beams on, something's going wrong, yeah? So if you think, fuck, I've had a lot of people flash me tonight, not the dirty way, headlights or main beam, I might go get these checked out because I've just had a bulb fitted at a very reputable shop. I'm trying. That may or may not have fitted these bulbs incorrectly. Now, the reason I say that may or may not have fitted these bulbs incorrectly is I've seen more come out of that place fitted incorrectly than they have correctly. And you poor buggers are paying for that. Ooh, and if let you into a little secret. You ready? Most garages, if you buy the bulb from them, they'll fit it for free. Don't tell everyone, that's a secret. Just fucking with you. Yeah, most garages though, if you buy a bulb from them, they'll fit it for no, because bulbs aren't that hard to change. There are a couple of exceptions to that rule, of course. However, if you're paying this particular shop to fit it, it's got to be right, isn't it? And they never fucking are. They never are, right? So guys, just a little bit of advice. If people are flashing you and you know you've had something done with the headlights, something done with the front end of your car, don't think that they're being awkward and they're flashing you because they can, because they're not. They're probably letting you know that something's wrong. Yeah, and it happens on more than one occasion. You might have an issue, so go get it checked out. Not at the shop that may or may not have fitted your bulbs incorrectly. But now, as a general rule of thumb, guys, the fucking state of the driving, as we've said, in the UK is absolutely piss poor. Now, you guys from anywhere else other than the UK, because I only know the UK, want to chip down in the comments what your kind of driving, what's the word I'm looking for? observations of your country are. Stick them down in the comments. I'm always happy to hear from different countries, because I'm pretty sure it ain't just the UK where people, I don't know how they tie their shoes in the morning. Actually, I probably do. They probably have Velcro shoes. Anyway, this has been rant number 1 of Rob's Rants. There's another 6 to come each day for the next week, guys. So I'll see you in the next one. Big love, and turn your fucking headlights down. Bosh.